the Ramadan moon. Alhamdulillah, Ramadan is here.
Who's ready for suhoor?
Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. May Allah bless this meal.
I'm gonna fast all day. No problem. I'm strong like Ayaan.
We'll see, little buddy.
You can do it, Yusuf. I believe in you.
I'm okay. You sure, little buddy? You look tired. I'm strong. I'm fasting.
Allah sees your effort, Yusuf. Every moment of patience is a gift to Him.
Really? Even when I'm hungry?
Especially when you're hungry.
You're welcome. I like helping. See? Helping makes the time fly. And my tummy doesn't rumble as much.
Iftar time!
Bismillah. It's so sweet.
You earned this, Yusuf. Every bite.
Proud of you, little brother. You did amazing.
And that is the reward of patience, Allah always loves those who are patient.
Oh Allah, bless my family. Allah, thank you for helping me fast. Alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah. Ma'a salama.